What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham and hindi ako masyado makakasigaw. It's 12:17 in the morning and we just got massive news that QMB, Quinton Melora Brown, has been considered a local for Gilas according to his lawyers daw. So sabi dito ni QMB, I'm ecstatic to announce that I have received the local status from FIBA. My lawyers Tony Vernau and Ale Mosca informed me this morning that they negotiated with FIBA to receive a final decision with my status. So those are the words from QMB, and this
That's
is
massive,
big.
dude.
This is massive, no?
Yeah.
So, with my question here is, I think what everyone is thinking about is how does QMB help Gilas? But before we answer that, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll say this early already. Follow 5-star
You're
ratings
gonna
sa
forget it later.
Spotify. Yeah, yeah. Hindi. Gusto ko lang para, di ba, to get the engagement up. We
Yeah.
appreciate it if you guys could like, comment immediately, subscribe if you haven't, and follow 5-star sa Spotify. And now we'll get back on the topic. So Mario Graham, um, with QMB with Gilas now, how does this affect the future for our national team? Who gets booted out? And immediate thoughts when when you see the news.
Who gets booted out? Oh gosh.
That a question?
Oh damn.
Isa muna, guys.
Question- I think the question should be, does he only get booted out from Gilas or Ginebra?
Teka, seryoso muna. Then mamaya na tayo sa mga fantasy niyong dalawa.
Sorry.
Okay,
Not too early.
I'll go first.
Not
I'll
too
go
Ikaw
first.
muna. Si Graham muna. Mario,
Yeah,
get your bearings together.
yeah. Number 25 should go, and it's not because that he shouldn't be a part of the. I know it's
Yeah.
not because of his skills, but it's because of his age. Diba?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
We have said this multiple times when we did Gila spots. I just want to make sure that this door is locked. Okay, that he should be out of the lineup already because of his age. And true enough, this is the blessing that we got from the basketball gods for doing the right thing, diba? I'm salivating, bro. The length, the girth, the size. Oh my God,
Wait.
QMB, Kai, and AJ. Um, you know, in
So
in 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 a
Wow.
year from now, probably complete, no, or probably 6 months shorter because Kai is going to heal. I think 1 year na injury ni Kai, something
We
like
we are
that.
going to expect Kai by February.
That
That's from
is
Graham,
that.
guys. Si Graham yan. That is Graham, the moment he got the news.
Yeah, well, okay.
But yeah, I
Excuse my
think we're gonna
language.
expect Kai by the World Cup qualifiers by February. So,
There you go.
November
Yeah.
hindi pa. The
dude,
qualifiers start
yeah, yeah. What's the
November.
one in November? What's the one in November?
Guam muna Hindi, World Cup
The
qualifiers na,
wo-
pero we're gonna
World Cup
face Guam
qualifier.
twice. First two games natin are against
the may
Guam.
Asian. Wow, what's with the balloons?
Something with, no, it's
Happy
with Zoom.
birthday, Nico.
It happens pag ganun din minsan
No, no,
lumalabas
no.
eh.
I'm
I like
thinking.
that. I
Do
want
we have
that.
the Asian Games too? Do we have Asian Games ba?
No, no, not
Or
Asian Games. SEA Games,
Sea
December.
Games? Yeah, Sea
Feel ko
Games.
doon
Okay.
natin siya una makikita or November. As early as November pwede.
Dude,
Mhm.
I just want to say this before I talk about Gilas and QMB. But the reason Graham said he had to make sure the door was locked was because he's currently at work. Baka mapagalitan siya ng boss niya, biglang marinig niya, why
Yeah.
are you talking about
Why are you talking about QMB?
Why QMB?
His boss listens to our podcast. What are you talking about?
Yeah, one of the bosses listens. But yeah, no, it's great na we finally, kasi yung problem natin in this World Cup was one of the problems because he had multiple. Yung big man, di ba? When
Yeah.
June Mar gets switched off to a guard or being hunted sa pick and roll, it's goodbye. It's easy 2 points or 3 points. So you cannot do that to QMB. He's more agile than June Mar, di ba? So he's going to be the offensive player. He's not the offensive player that Junmar is, pero we did not even feel yung offensive Junmar in the World Cup. So he's a better defender than Junmar at this point in his career, probably ever. So this is really, really big. And kudos to those lawyers, brother. Like who
Whoever
whoever those lawyers are, you guys are the goats.
Yeah, whoever those lawyers are, send an IG message to Jordan Clarkson. Maybe you guys could help him out also. Another thing about,
Mm-hmm.
by the way, Graham, it's Asia Cup, not World Cup.
Then
Um,
Asia Cup. Oh, my bad.
dude, this is just massive because can you imagine now your front line is Kai, AJ, and QMB. My gosh, Jimmy Alapag and Jason Castro are so sad that I'm not
Hindi
so
nila
sad.
naabutan.
But now they find now the
Oh, nawala ba si Mario?
dream. But obviously, naman that Gilas team also had their own fair share of great bigs at that time. I think that was the Ranidel Almazan days.
Junmar, di ba?
Junmar,
Junmar, De Japet, Prime, all in their prime. So,
Junmar with blonde hair actually. That was Junmar with
Junhor or blonde hair. O nga,
Patong.
no? Rooster hair pa siya nun, along with Terence Romeo.
yeah. So like, dude, this is so big. And this is kind of exciting now, even after we lost against Australia. It's just exciting for me because now you don't gotta waste a naturalized spot on a big anymore.
Yes.
Now you can focus on a legit scoring or shooting um player or naturalized player like Justin Brownlee, but somebody probably a bit younger, although Coach Tim loves his old men. But uh some somebody who can literally score the ball because everything else at the rim finally. Can you imagine now once Sky Soto sits, there I don't think there's much of a drop off anymore. The drop off the defensive end, it's not there. QMB is a very good defender, has a decent post game, and at all, admittedly, I'm sure this isn't even I'm sure this isn't even a hot take, but UP doesn't win that championship without QMB,
For
not
sure,
even
I agree.
For
I
sure.
agree.
yeah. So this is just massive news for Gilas, and honestly, not just massive props to the lawyers of QMB, but massive props to QMB, because
For wanting it.
yeah, once the decision was made, he could have very easily just went, I can't play for the Philippines. Let me go to Europe and start playing now. And now it's different. Now, and he was like, no, I want to appeal the decision, which, um, in all honesty, I'm surprised worked. I'm surprised that the appeal worked because since when does FIBA rule in our favor? But yeah, this is it for Gilas.
I also
Yeah.
want to add that this guy is just 25 years old, no? And really a perfect fit for Coach Tim's system. He's also mobile and could operate from the high post as well, like with QMB. He's very composed and shores up a lot of the rebounding problems we had with Australia. That was a game wherein we were out rebounded by 18, 54 to 36 from my memory. Basta more than 15 yung lamang na Australia. And you really cannot match up Hunt QMB
Not
compared
as
to like
The way you
Junmar.
do Junmar.
Not as much as what you do Junmar, no? And with more integrating to the Gilas pool, this really helps us significantly. And that he has like what 10 years, 8 to 10 years with this Gilas team na
The
at this na he could contribute. Knowing
But I
na
just want to add this. The good thing
mm,
about QMB is he's like Kevin Durant na plug and play. He's not like Junmar where the system has to revolve around him na dapat nasa kanya yung bola for him to be effective.
okay, okay.
Like QMB is someone na pwede mong ilagay at center. Parang, let's say, mga Andrew Bynum, ganun.
Andrew
And
Bynum.
then,
Oh.
di ba? And then, he doesn't really need to have the ball, but he's reliable when he has the opportunity.
this
Yun
guy.
yung nadadagdag ni QMB.
This guy's been rhyming everything over the past three episodes.
Told
This
you,
Doesn't
guy's an
man.
English major. I told you, Mari, he's an English major.
buy a ball, and this guy's going nuts here.
Just natural, brother.
Other thing, man. Honestly, this opens a lot more doors for who can play for Gilas.
Uh,
Kasi uh now you have an open spot on the roster for a genuine big man shooter on the because now you've replaced somebody who you barely could play in either Japet or Junmar. Now you have somebody who
mm.
plays minutes. So now another roster spot opens for somebody who can genuinely put the ball in the basket from deep. That could possibly be
Although Mari hindi pa siya knockdown shooter, but he can attempt. He's like AJ Edu kind of efficient, right? Na si QMB.
no, no, I'm not saying
Mm.
QMB is a shooter. I don't think QMB is a shooter. I'm saying now that you have rim protection already,
Okay.
a new spot, a new role is available on that Gilas bench as a shooter. gets. I'm not saying QMB is gonna shoot. I don't think QMB should be shooting threes, but
But he will try. Maybe one attempt per game. Isa lang. One to two.
then like
Max.
ang point ko lang dun is now there is somebody now you can fill in the roles with the shooter talaga, which we know Gilas has always had a problem with. This could be the I don't know if Christian David is considered a Filipino, a local or not. But if he is
Eh,
not, if he
eh
is, I would
Mario, pahiram natin yung lawyers ni QMB kay Save Lucero. Di ba pati yun alanganin?
dude.
Wala pa tayong proof na is he a local that's still up in the air. Wala pa tayong naririnig na official that Lucero is a local by FIBA standards.
Hey brother, QMB, if you love the Philippines so much, you'll give us your
Pahiram mo
lawyer.
yan. Pahiram
Yeah.
mo.
Zave, if you're watching this, brother, call
Contact QMB.
call up
Fellow
if
UP.
ano man
See,
you guys di man kayo nag-abot pero
Yung
I'm sure
nowhere to go but up. Tulungan nyo naman yung mga alumni nyo.
chat niyo si JD Kagulangan pre pa-connect naman kay Q. Okay na yan.
Gov! Gov! This is your
yeah,
time.
I
Yeah,
agree.
Coach Gold, Coach
Those
Gold.
lawyers,
Tama, Gov. Si Gov.
I'm gonna tell you this, and I don't know, Nico, if gusto mo to i-edit or not. A lot of people
Ah,
in the Philippines right now need lawyers,
oh.
and QMB's lawyers are about to get busy, brother. A lot of people in the
Okay.
Philippines right now
Okay
need
yan.
lawyers.
Sige,
Good
sige. Okay.
lawyers, by the way.
Okay,
Pwede.
okay na yan. That's good, that's good. It's safe. I don't get what you mean. That's why it's safe.
Not cuttable.
So, okay, all right.
Don't make me work, man. It's 12:30.
Not cuttable. Pwede na.
That's good, Gerb. That's okay. You're safe. You're safe, my guy.
So,
Tapos, that's old news, my guy. But okay.
I don't know about
Please don't say it, Mario. Please don't say
It's
it.
okay. Okay na, okay na.
oh shit. Okay.
Medyo old news na yan. Got buried deep in the water. Okay.
And so dude, like literally, like do open the door now for shooters na talaga. Christian David
Mm.
could be one of them if he's considered a local. If not, take UMB, send him your lawyers information. Who are other shooters in the PBA who are at that big man position? Marami. I mean, not marami, but there are a few. So, just open. And I'm praying now that Coach Tim, um, this is Coach Tim's want. Didn't Coach Tim beg for this? Na, oh
He
man,
would be a great addition, though. He would be a great addition.
he said that QMB would be a great addition to the team.
Mm.
You finally have him. Let's see if you can actually make use of this guy, right? You begged for AJ Edu also, and it wasn't the best performances from him this Asia Cup either. So
Solid B. If you could give a grade to Edu, it's a solid B.
yeah,
B,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, I
Yeah,
agree.
like B flat.
now this let's talk about on another level.
Yeah.
Uh, this opens up QMB to being a PBA player, no? If I'm
Okay, that's a good segment. QMB in the PBA. So knowing that he's a local, do you think he pushes through with this PBA plan, or he sticks to what do you call it? He sticks to playing outside the Philippines. What do you think?
No,
uh,
he has to chase his
has
dreams
to
abroad.
stay. For
For
me,
me, yeah.
wants to continue to develop, he should keep playing in Europe
And
or
local na siya eh. Wala na siyang kailangan i-prove na maglaro dito eh, di ba? Just play outside. Get
And
better.
first of all, pag nag-declare siya at hindi siya tumuloy, he's banned for 3 years, di ba? Remember that bogus rule that they just had? So no, he's not going to the PBA.
This guy.
tapos
Okay. Local na rin siya eh. I don't need to play the PBA anymore.
tapos to prove a point, Coach Tim won't play him for the first 3 games.
Tapos mapalaro na siya sa fourth game para wala na confidence. Wala ka naman pala eh.
Uh,
Anyway.
Brother, yeah, this now opens up the possibility we might see Q in the PBA. I doubt we do. That's what I'll say. I doubt
Mhm.
in the PBA because he should go abroad if he has offers abroad. But this is great news for if ever he does declare for the PBA. This is great news for the Terra Firma, Jin Kings. So that's basically it. And now this could be the start of something. Hope I don't think it will fully be, but it could be the start of something in which some local PBA talents, I mean, or some PBA talents choose to stay in the Philippines. Could be, could not be. But if QMB's deciding to stay in the Philippines, that could become like a domino effect type thing.
Although I'm not in favor of QMB playing in the PBA, I think
No.
dito sa nakita natin sa FIBA Asia Cup, it's mostly the international guys that have been contributing, and it's something hopefully. So that means seeing the trend, Jamie Malonzo might contribute. Pero titingnan natin kung ilalagay pa siya sa Gilas, no? I am seriously in doubt if ilalagay pa siya sa Gilas after that the way he dropped that bombshell kina Coach Tim at kay Boss Al. But hopefully he still is considered sa future by November. Doon natin makikita na okay, mukhang nag-heal na old wounds maybe. But again, I want QMB, going back to the topic na, I want him to play outside, get better, maybe develop a shot outside the paint.
Hey, if he goes,
And I don't know,
if he goes to Europe to play, he'll need a shot.
better. Yeah, he
He'll
needs to, yeah, yeah.
and
Like,
that's actually that's why KQ is an absolute dead shot now because if you cannot shoot in the NBA or in Korea, you don't deserve to play basketball. That's why Carl's a much better. When we watched Carl Tamayo in UP, he wasn't really a shooter. That man
Yeah,
shot
more of mid-range yun lang siya. Babanggain ka lang sa mid-range fadeaway.
in post moves at that time.
Post
Now
moves yun.
now he's a much improved shooter because you have to be. And again, this is where people from the last video commented a lot na the Philippines keeps playing old style of basketball in which we don't prioritize threes. And that's absolutely true.
Yeah.
So now that if QMB decides to go abroad, which I think we all genuinely hope he does, naman, he'll have to develop a three, and once he does that, that will be massive for Gilas. That will be absolutely massive for Gilas. But all, all jokes and everything aside, man, I'm so excited for
Mm.
November.
QMB. November is the first not the first. I mean, this is the next time we're going to see Gilas again. And if you think about it, this is just 3 months from now. September, this is 3 months from now. Tapos
yeah,
Guam pa. First two
and
games will be
perfect
against
yun, di ba?
Guam. Perfect to get him acclimated. Tapos sa SEA Games, ipasok nyo rin siya dun.
Isn't that the PBA season? October 5 mag-start yun, di ba?
Oh, no, pero November yung ano eh. November naman yung FIBA World Qualifiers.
I feel like
They're
I'm
gonna pause. They're gonna pause for a while. Sorry, my,
Nandiyan
my
yung boss niya,
laptop's
nandiyan
about
yung
to
boss niya,
die.
nandiyan yung
No,
boss
no, no,
niya.
my laptop's about to die. I moved to a different area, but
Talaga.
my charger about. Yeah.
this is probably how profs like whenever they have online class tapos yung kausap nila ginagaon ng camera at si pangalan lang nakalagay.
Oh,
Yeah.
better stop naming me, but
Naalala niyo si Get That 30, bro. Ito yun.
Ayun si Get That 30 bro. Si Get bro.
Get That 30, bro.
yeah, move to a different
Oh,
location. Stop yapping, bro.
kapal na mukha mo, lumabas ka sa wala, sa kita ka ng lahat. Ibang klase ka talaga, Brad.
Doesn't matter, bro.
Hmm.
Doesn't
It does.
matter.
Ito yung boss ng company.
Is the
I'm
instant
secretly rich. I'm secretly rich.
is
Secret.
it
Pingin
room
naman.
is called? Is it soundproof or something?
What do you mean?
The room you were in kanina.
Yeah,
So,
it's a private room.
Okay. All
that's where
right.
you
I'm
hold
I'm
like
u-
closed door. Pag may confidential information na meeting, Mario, you go usually in those
hey, I'm used to
cubicles.
private rooms.
Oh shit.
Oh my God.
Shit.
Okay. Um,
Okay.
What's
real quick about no,
QMB.
real quick about the QMB edition in the Gilas. Did you just read yung sinabi ni Coach Tim? He's not expanding that tool.
Yeah, he's not
He doesn't
expanding.
he
oh,
doesn't
Doesn't want to.
want to go back to he doesn't
double
want to go back to zero.
I double dare him not to include QMB.
No,
I
I think he
double
No,
will include
of
QMB.
course
That was
QMB
before
will
the
be
QMB
there.
news, yeah.
yeah, dude, I will laugh so hard if Coach Tim goes, "Wait, no, man, I don't want to add somebody new."
I
And
can't teach. I don't want to go back to zero.
I will laugh so hard, man. You
I
don't
think that's
understand.
the exact words he said. I don't want to go back to zero and reteach teach new people. And kind of that made me question na, seryoso talaga siya dito. But then again, knowing naman si QMB, he likes QMB. You can replace Japet and let him rest and retire peacefully.
For Gilas. Yeah,
For Gilas.
yeah,
For
Yes.
Gilas.
I
Yeah.
agree.
Actually, I wanted to add one more thing. I kind of forgot what I
No,
wanted.
I remember what I want to add. So si Nico said na parang
Oh.
QMB will be perfect for Coach Tim system. First of all, Coach Tim system should not exist in international basketball, brother. Like
Di niya
that is
ibahin yun, Brad. Di niya ibahin yun.
ancient. But man, to each his own. I'm just saying that.
Hey guys, another thing that
It should change.
I want to bring this up. Y'all in the comment section were like, you know who Gilas needs? They need Kiefer Ravena. But when we last saw Kiefer Ravena in a
And
Gilas,
30.
and yeah, you all keep saying that. But the last time you all saw the two Ravenas brothers in a Gilas jersey, you all couldn't stop hating on them.
You crucified those guys.
You all
Diba? It's so bad.
avoid their mental health.
Kiefer doesn't want to play anymore for Gilas.
Can we say that? Anyway,
It's okay. I mean, that's my opinion. I feel like he doesn't want to play anymore for Gilas.
Yeah.
dude,
You
like,
can't blame him.
I can't ask for these dudes to come back after how you all crucified their asses. It's like how me and Graham, oh, we can't we can't keep calling on Japet Aguilar to be like we can't do the same for Japet Aguilar. We keep crucifying Japet Aguilar, and then all of a sudden when he's not there, will we call? Are we gonna be the dicks who call for him back? Obviously not. You guys asked for them not to be on the team. They won't be on the team. That's how life goes, guys.
The only guy who does that ever is LeBron, di ba? Sa Cleveland when he
Oh,
came back.
yeah.
O, iba naman yun, bro. Iba
No, I'm
naman yun.
just saying. You
You're just saying. I get where Graham's coming from on that one. But yeah, dude. Going back to the Q news, uh, I love it for. I love this specifically for Justin Brownlee, especially in this upcoming window, because he doesn't have to play center anymore. He doesn't have to be literally the best guy on offense and best guy on defense anymore.
and Carl Tamayo too. You shouldn't play
Carl
center.
Tamayo, di na siya magiging center.
Dwight
Yeah.
Ramos have to defend
There was a
big.
time na nag-center si Dwight, no? Mga good 2 minutes ba yun?
Hala ata ni Coach Tim Dwight Howard yun eh, kasi Dwight Ramos pala yun. Nagkagulo na.
Mali, mali, mali. Fuck.
Oh,
My bad, my bad.
he just called on somebody's spreadsheet like Dwight. Oh shucks, how is it that Dwight?
Speaking
But
of Dwight, I know he played for the Team USA na pala. I was thinking Dwight could be our naturalized, but he's old and he also played for Team USA. But no need because of Q
yeah.
already.
So
So
who
we
would
can
you
get
genuinely believe after JB? Let's be kind of honest here. JB is
Ano?
almost 40 years old, I think. Who goes after JB now?
Di ko na
Because
alam ano nangyari kay Benny Boatwright eh. Di ko na alam ano nangyari kay Benny
so
Boatwright.
so Clarkson is given. How about George King, di ba? Mario?
George King na yung pinaka-next viable candidate talaga.
talking about Gilas imports, not Hinebra imports.
No,
Oh, George
if you're
King! George King pwede. He's interested.
Think, yun ang gusto na make. What was
yeah,
called?
George King, di ba?
Chicken wouldn't be
Merong
bad.
press con. Merong press con na he's interested.
Oh, I would love it. I would love it. Um,
Mm.
my because people were saying Ange Kwame. Also, another thing, if Ange Kwame becomes a local also, now you have a big ass problem because you have four guys who are almost all 7 feet tall. Who plays and when do they play and all that? It's it it's a funny problem to have kasi dati, 'di ba, yung problema ng Gilas. They have all the shooting in the world but they have no bigs to
No
defend.
bigs.
Yeah. Then now it all changed. You have all the height now in the world and you have no shooting at all. Times changed, man, for Gilas, and I don't know. It's time to adjust it also. So I think Coach Tim could have been a great coach, during that Jimmy Alapag era, I guess, or something. But I don't know.
But Coach Chot was the perfect coach during that
Oh,
era.
dun sa personnel na
So
yun.
yeah,
With the dribble.
that was the team that he built too.
Yeah. Also, another thing with other people who are asking for Coach Stott to come back, brothers, what are we doing?
Pero
Oh,
feel ko
After
Mario Parody, ano lang naman yun.
well, and
You feel like they're legit, genuine
yeah,
na
yeah,
interest.
people won't people won't clamor for that just for fun. You know, after yung ginawa na kay Coach Chot, binuno siya against Saudi Arabia on your home
Lala nun,
court,
Brad.
di ba?
Lala
Mo
nga
Arena,
nun.
that's the ultimate
Lala nun.
disrespect. That's
yeah.
the ultimate disrespect.
Imagine home court mo yun. That's you're so excited to play, and then you get booed on your own home court. What are you?
Sama.
What are you? The Los Angeles Lakers? Like it's so sad. It was so sad at that time, and I'm not a big Coach Stott fan for Gilas either. But I am gonna boo the guy when the game starts, and
Parang
yeah.
Pilipino tayo lahat, Brad. Ba't mo naman buo yung sarili mong ano?
Yeah.
'Di ba?
I agree.
Also, while we're on this topic, or while we're talking about in general, there were people in the last episode who commented like, "Yo, Team C lang ng Australia yan." Okay, Guys, the Team C of Australia is still Australia. This is still Australia,
Yeah,
guys.
this is still Australia. Parang,
What's to
But
go
I
up
get their point. But I get their point. Na
against?
parang
They
if
want us to go
we
up against Team A. Team A with Dante Exum, Thon,
Patty Mills,
Patty Mills,
sino pa
Joe.
ba?
I don't know Joe.
Dyson Daniels, si Dyson.
I don't know if Joe Ingles still plays.
I
Wala na, wala na yun.
But you know what I mean, di ba? Yung team A na yun, it's just too much for FIBA Asia Cup.
Yeah.
But I get what their point is. Na
Salamat.
parang team C lang
Salamat.
yun.
Nagpa-nerf yung Australia eh.
Panalo pa rin sa by so much.
Yeah, and they're still gonna win the tournament. If they don't win the tournament, I'd be very surprised. Sorry. Just another
Oh, they
answer.
are going to win the tournament for sure. I agree. Hindi ako kontra dun.
Hey, unless I know Chinese. Oh, by the way, fun fact: did you guys see Chinese Taipei lost?
They're down 21.
Down. No,
Ah,
they were up.
they were up 21 kasi hinahabol sila ng Iran.
Eh,
This is legit question, by the way. Circling back to the QMB signing, can we right now uh face China's front line? With what they have. Si Hansen Yang, how do you say that? Yoshi, is that yung
uh,
Jochi?
malaki nila? Yeah,
Jochi?
I don't
yeah.
think he's gonna play anymore. If I'm being honest with you,
Ibababad sa NBA yan. I think they're gonna
But
make it
pound for
hard.
pound in international play,
brother.
We've
China's
been beating
best.
China recently. We've been beating China recently, right? We've been beating them. We beat them in the World Cup. We beat them in the Asian Games.
Yeah, with Kyle Anderson pa pala.
That was
With
without.
Goal.
with Kyle Anderson.
Yeah. To be fair, no, that's Lee Kayer, guys. What do you mean?
Oh nga pala. The
My
biggest
bad, my bad.
bust of an import ever. My God.
Lee
First of
Kayer.
all, who gets Kyle Anderson as their naturalized?
He's like
Come
110
on.
Chinese, right? He said that. Parang sinabi yan na parang great something grandma niya ata yung
Like
Chinese or
claiming
something.
Bruno Mars is pure Filipino.
That's how men who are trying to get past the Great Wall try to defend their arguments to the moms of the people they try. Oh, my
Oh,
great there's
gusto
one
naman
tenth,
ligaw sa mga taga-Ika. I'm
yeah,
1/10.
1/10 Chinese, tita.
And then auntie, tita, auntie.
I'm 1/10 Chinese. It's like ama. I think that's what they call it in Chinese
Like
culture.
when
Ako,
you, it's like when your par relative is a lawyer sa school tas binuli ka. Hey, my uncle is a lawyer.
Exactly. Fair now.
Okay.
If
Just
Kyle Anderson, if
just
Kyle,
got curious if we can beat China
We
honestly,
can beat China.
I think
with with with
even
their full lineup.
even before Q was added, we've been decent against China. Beat them in the Asian Games, beat them in the World Cup. But fun fact, I don't know if you guys watched the China games recently, but China has a 17-year-old or 18-year-old 7-footer who is absolutely nasty playing in the post. You know si Al Marwani, the
Is
like
that
Okay.
is that the Saudi big man?
big man of
That's not Al Marwani, it's Al Suwailem.
yeah,
My
yeah.
God, it's
So
Al Suwailem.
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
not even looking.
He's he's double yung big man ng China na sinasabi ko. He's like twice or maybe 1.5 times better than him. So in terms of talent and in terms of size, kaya natin tumapat. In terms of talent, I'm not super sure yet kasi AJ's shown his prowess on defense. Pero yung offensive game ni AJ, di pa masyadong malinis, di ba?
Oh, ito si Jiao Hao Yu.
Yeah, si Hughes.
7'3". Jia Hao
Wow.
Yu. Jia Hao Yu.
How tall is Q? 6'10", 6'11"?
This guy's 7'3".
Yeah,
No, no,
this
si QMB.
is
No, no,
laman.
no, no, no. I'm talking about CU. You?
No, 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 yun nga. And how tall is QMB? 6'10", 6'11"?
6'10", 6'11", 6'10", 6'11".
Mm. Dude, like, that guy is big in terms of heft also. Yun yung worry ko lang is, out of all these three bigs, wala pa ring hefty big. That's my one worry with it. They are tall, they are lanky, as Graham said. They do have the girth. But like
Okay. Wow.
have the chunkiness yet. I'm hoping ito pa rin talaga yung goal, 'di ba? Yung parang medyo mabigat-bigat yung katawan. Yung parang Junmar pero matangkad.
Mm.
Parang ganun. That's always been the goal. Yeah. So that's basically it on the QMB news, man.
Yeah.
Massive.
Let's wrap it up, boys.
We're ecstatic that
Mm.
QMB
We
and
were all in,
got
no, not all in bed. Two of us were in bed, one was working.
yeah.
Uh,
No.
when
And we even chose the wrong adjectives to describe this this signing or this decision of Tiba. Hey, but future is bright. We have we have we have upcoming young guns, di ba? Who
yeah,
are
just
looking good. So
shooters, please, just match
yeah,
them with
shooters.
and a point guard who can play point guard. And
Basketball clinics, please stop teaching dribbling, brothers. Start teaching shooting.
Koreans can't dribble for shit.
But they can shoot. They can
But
shoot the
they
hell out
can
of the ball.
shoot the hell out of the ball.
Except yung kanina,
Nice.
they were 3 for 24.
Yeah, there and but they
Ima-
only hit.
Bro, the Koreans, pag tayo kalaban nila, they shoot like 10 out of 15 from 3. Diba?
Actually, any
But any
country.
other country, man,
That's because
it's
we don't know how to defend the three to save our lives.
And that
But
is the one of the holes sa coach team system. But that's for another episode, guys.
just to like kind of add that in there though, you can
Oh,
add whatever you want onto that lineup. You can add QMB, you can add Dwight Howard, you can add DeMarcus Cousins, you can add Jordan Clarkson. If you don't know how to defend a 3-point shot, you still ain't gonna win shit. You
I
just
know.
gonna win shit.
tama. And
That-
guys, as always, follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. This is the Six Man Podcast, emergency podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. If you're
12:48 a.m.
watch
by the way.
12:48 a.m. pero upload ko to at 9:30 tomorrow. And promise yan, 9:30 a.m.
yeah,
See you
yeah.
all next time. Peace.
Adios amigos, QB to Ginebra.
Oh shit.